Hey everyone, Rob here. I just wanted to let everyone know that the camera phone doesn't do it justice. It looks better than actually what my phone is taking. Even though it looks good on the phone, kind of looks like a little bit oversaturated on my phone. It looks just way better in person. This is with ambient lighting. I just wanted to show you guys a little demo of Casino Royale, just to show you guys what's going on. I'll have a quick review coming up soon, and I'll do a full review in another probably week or two, just to get to learn more about the projector and stuff. But I've been using it quite a bit and learned quite a bit. If you are going to mount this projector, make sure you have an M4 or M6 screw bolt for the mounting. Mine already had it, my mount had it already, so it fit and it was fine. So it's an M4 or M6. But yeah, I'll do more videos. Like I said, the camera phone just doesn't do justice. It's the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So I just wanted to let everybody know that. Enjoy the rest of the demo. I'll have more demos coming up, and like I said, a short review very soon. So I'll explain some things and let everybody know. So far, it's amazing projector. Just wanted to let everybody know that. And it's just as good as the Optoma P1. Just to let everybody know too. And it's actually better for gaming. So has lower latency. So just give a little bit of information on that. I'll talk to everyone later. Bye.
Laissez tomber.